Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Basics. This is Vishwa. So, have you ever deleted an important file, lost data, or formatted hard drive? So, this video is for you. So, today we are diving into Wondershare Recoverit, a powerful data recovery tool which helps to bring your file back to your life. Does it really work? Let me find out for you. Before I move on to the computer screen, I would like to share some key features of Wondershare Recoverit. Wondershare Recoverit is a professional grade data recovery software available for Mac and Windows both. It supports recovery from PC, external drive, SD card, USB, and even crash systems. It claims to recover over 1000 file formats, including photos, videos, documents, and more. So friend, before I proceed the video, I would request to all of you kindly watch this video till end so you can easily understand that how this tool is helpful for you and how you can use it. So first we will go to the website www.wondershare.com, this website. Okay. After that you need to log in it. Then we will go to the data management. This is the data management. Click on its drop down and here is the option Recoverit. Click on Recoverit. Now Recoverit page is opening. Okay. There are two options. You can use this free of cost also, and there are paid version given depending that whatever you needed. Okay. I have already downloaded this tool, so let me take you to the desktop. This is the Wondershare Recovery. Okay. Click on it and I'll show you the interface of it. Click yes. This is the Recoverit interface. Watch every step carefully so you can easily understand everything. Okay. I'll explain all the options given here. First, there is the hard drive and location in which you will get all these images, all these details from where you can recover your data. Like this is disk, images, desktop, select folder, recycle in OneDrive, okay, Windows C means C drive also. And this is the pen drive which we have added here. I'll explain you after this. Okay. And second option, SD card recovery. Okay. In SD card recovery, you can restore your data from your memory card. Okay. After that, there are enhanced recovery option. Click on it. Here, you can recover your video with precision. Restore lost videos, advanced feature acquisition, and reconstruction tech. Okay. After that, corrupt video recover. Now you can recover your data in all these cases, like damage caused by accidental operation, video was recovered but failed to play, prepare video from widely used camera brand. It supports these camera brands like Canon, Nikon, Sony and Panasonic, etc. given here, you can see that. After that, system crash computer. Okay, now computer not bootable, blue screen death and black screen death. You can recover data in all these cases. Then in last there are NAS and the Linux. You can read 3 steps to recover your file. No need to stop the server. Support NAS server and the Linux recovery. Okay, now let's go to the first option, hard drive and location. Before I'll explain you all the details, let me show you my pen drive in which for which we will recover the data. Okay, my pen drive is blank. I'll show you that. This is my pen drive. My pen drive name is Vishwa. Click on it and you can see there is no data. I have deleted all the folders and data from here. And now through Recoverit, we will recover all the data and photographs. Okay, so let's minimize of it and open the Recoverit interface again. This is my pen drive. So when you will insert your pen drive or external drive, it will show you here. Okay, so now we will click on it and you can see the start scanning. Okay, 32%, 33%. It takes little time to recover all your scan your external drive. Just wait for a moment. It takes little bit of time, so you need to wait for that. Now The scanning is completed, organizing found files. Okay. So as you can see, scan completed, and it find 169 files have been found. Okay. 133 photographs, 15 videos, 19 audios. It's these all details given here. Click OK. Now the main important part where you will recover these files and photographs. Okay, so first we will click recover. Okay, click recover. After that, before clicking on recover, it's asking you that first we need to select the file. Please select a file to recover. Okay, so we will select the file. You can choose one by one whatever file you wanted to recover, but if I'm explaining you, so I will select all the files. Select all. Okay, click select all, and it selected all the files. Okay, now click recover. This is the recover. Click recover. The main important part of this recovery, you need to create a new folder, which is recommended from my end. Okay, like suppose we will recover under the C drive. Okay, and here we will create a new folder. Okay, how you will create? This is the new folder option. Okay, click on new folder. You can name it like we will given the name of pen drive data. Okay, pen drive data. Click outside, select it. Now click recover. This is the recommended process. You can recover your file any of your folder. The main important part, the moment you click recover, it will automatically open that folder in which it recovered all the file and photographs. Like you can see, this is the open Vishwa, and this is the pen drive data. You can see that. Okay, so now click on this one, and you can see all the files and photographs which we have deleted is recovered here. So this is how you can utilize Recoverit interface.
It is not only recovered, it is fully functional also. Let me open some file for you. Like I'm just opening this image. Okay, double click on it, and you can see this image is opened here. Now let me open one audio file also. This is the audio file which is recovered here. Let me open it for you.
Thematic statement, but
okay, it is working properly.
Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more techie videos.